Hi, I'm Matt from Locators. Today we're going to talk about the Kärcher KM 100-120. This is a sweeper that's got a 120 litre hydraulic high dump and it has a 1 metre working width. A 2-brush system consisting of a side brush down here and a middle cylindrical brush in the middle. You've got easy access for brush changing, you've got easy access for filter cleaning and hopper cleaning, as well as onboard charging, which can be done through a wet battery system or a maintenance-free battery system. This machine has got easy display on here for controls, which is uniform across the Kärcher range. Everything can be done from this column here. There is no need for the operator to get off to do any of the operational or any of the waste removal of this machine. This machine can be operated in the dry and wet conditions. You have a vent that will cut the vacuum system and not allow any water to come through the filter system as well, making the machine very diverse, very universal. You can use it across a multitude of different environments. So like I said, easy access to the filter bay for cleaning and maintenance. We then have the hydraulic dump. The height of the dump allows for access to skips, large Grundon bins, and then you've got also great access underneath the back of the machine to clean the main brush. On this side, you've got access to your battery bay. Easy access to the charging port as well, so when the machine needs a recharge, easy to pull up, stick it on charge, and away you go. Over here, we have the Kärcher Easy Dial. So this has 3 modes on, one for driving, one for sweeping with the main brush, and one for sweeping with both brushes. Coming across, you have a digital display showing your operational hours and your battery percentage. You then have control over your brush speed on the side brush, a warning signal for operators, directional for the machine, forwards and backwards on there. Your emergency stop is situated there. And over here we have an onboard filter cleaning system, and this is the safety switch for your hopper controls, which are situated down here to your left. So you have up and down on the main hopper, and then you can open and shut the flap, dumping the waste into the bin.